Hey people, I look hideous right now. I am so sorry. There may be light. So, it's really cool because I can't see you guys that well. Not to do anything with my sight, like my scene. There it's just really dark and I have to, keep this lamp. So you guys can see me. Even though it's not working out that best. And to know what I look like, because I can't see, because all I have is a back camera, because I'm cheap. Yeah, I'm using my mirror. I look like a bum, I'm so sorry. But, I am going to act like an idiot to, actually this is going to be like my reaction to The Girl Who Cried Wolf by 5 Seconds to Summer. I heard, the first beginning part. I cheated, I'm sorry. Here we go. Look how cute Mikey looks!
Every time you say to me it's over, you just want to start again. It's just us.
Pretty good.
The girl who cries wolf every day, ignored
That's
by
Callum.
gravity, but in the end, don't ask why. You say you wanna, but do you wanna run away? You great escape, oh yeah. Where you going? Always running back to where you're the quits again. Look at me in the eye. You said you were there. You said you were there. Cause I'm not cheating. Look at me in the eye.
Oh, my cam. Oh, okay.
You said you were there.
Nope.
Cause I'm not leaving.
You don't have to. Okay, I just have to pause this. Okay, so I'm on my sister's laptop and I click on the lyrics because of course no video yet 'cause I didn't make one, and just those faces. Oh my god, you don't just okay. You have Callan's face. He's like, I don't want to be here. And you have his face. He's like, serious face. And before I finish, what do y'all think of his new haircut? Me, I cried. Because, as you can tell, I have very long hair. Well, it's not that long, but it's long. And I was gonna ask him to be my bun buddy. But you know what? Nope. You can't now. So thanks. And then anyway, you have him. He looks stoned. I'm not gonna lie, he looks stoned. And then Mikey. Ugh, that sexy face. I don't know if it's just me or he reminds me of the lead singer of Green Day. Oh god, they're gonna kill me. I know his name. I'm sorry, I'm looking it up. Jason White. Yeah, that's who he looks like. Yeah, Jason. Yeah. Okay, anyway, let's continue. You don't have to play. Jerry time. I'm so weird. I'm happy and I'm dancing. The song's really depressing. I got really lightheaded. Oh, dreaming. Look me in the eye. Nope. Is anyone there at all? 'Cause I'm not leaving. 'Cause I'm not leaving. I want to lunch and live. I'm really weird. I don't want you to leave. My goodness. Okay, I'm pretty sure all I say is anyone there at all. Okay, sorry I didn't finish it all the way. I'm really sorry. But I like it. I'm probably gonna end up adding it to my playlist. And this is my first video. This is my first video. So I'm sorry if I'm really awkward. That's me. And you guys gonna have to live with it. If not, don't watch my videos because I'm gonna be really awkward. And I swear I won't look. Oh my god, I can't even talk. I swear I won't be looking like a bum every day. And yes, I know I just said be looking. I won't look like a bum every day. It's like 8:02 and I'm usually in bed this time. By my choice, not my mom's. I'm not a morning or afternoon or night person. Just not nice. Unless it's full. Oh. So yeah, I'm just gonna give you my rules or warnings, should I say. I would probably go a lot or or when I laugh I go that's like my new thing I've been doing. Like when I laugh I do this. I don't know why. I'll be doing that a lot. Stuttering and can't even talk. I would probably be fanning over or even obsessing over Mikey. I'd like all the videos I do, like, oh my god, look at me, so gorgeous. And you guys just, if it's just too much for you, just be like, yo, shut up. My mom tells me that all the time. She'd be like, my name's Sherry. My real name is Cheryl, but I have to call Sherry. And I'm pretty sure that's my sister. Say hi!
Awkward. Who are you talking to?
No one, I'm making a YouTube video. Well, I was. That's what you're gonna say. It's
I have a question.
Oh, hold on, pause it. Where was I? Oh yeah, I have to do that a lot. Forgetting when I'm at. Anyway, yeah, my name's Cheryl, but let's call Sherry. Oh my god! And when my sister's over, you will see how awkward we are, like right now.
Put your arms around. Yay!
Oh my god! You're so fat.
Yay! Oh god.
Woo!
Woo!
Oh my god! Okay, end it. Say bye.
Peace out, Girl Scouts.